Hello students, today we will study expenditure method. It is the third method to estimate national income of our economy. So till now we have studied the two methods, that is value addition method and income method. According to the value addition method, we calculate GDP at market price by applying the formula value of output minus value of input. In the income method, we calculated net domestic product at factor cost by adding all the factor income, that is compensation of employee plus operating surplus and mixed income. In the total expenditure method, we will calculate GDP at market price by adding all the consumption expenditure, investment expenditure and the net export. So the first expenditure is the consumption expenditure. We know very well the expenditure incurred on consumer goods, it is called consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure having the expenditure on consumer durable goods and consumer non-durable goods as well as services, like the household purchased consumer durable goods in the form of AC, fridge, TV, non-durable goods in the form of food and clothing, as well as household purchased the services from the market in the form of chartered accountant, doctor, lawyer. On the other hand, we also see that government also purchased the services and incurred the expenditure in the form of administrative expenditure, defense expenditure, expenditure to maintain the law and order in our country. Government also incurred the expenditure for the social welfare activities, like paying the salaries to the teachers, paying the salaries to the government staff. So in that way, the government and the household are incurring consumption expenditure. The second expenditure is investment expenditure. Investment expenditure means the expenditure we incurred on the capital goods. Actually, in our country, the investment expenditure is incurred by three institutions. First, household. When the household purchase residential house or any capital goods, that is what household investment expenditure. When the business, second is the business. When the businessman purchase plant and machineries for carrying out business activities, it is the investment expenditure incurred by the business. Generally, it is done for productive activities. The third investment expenditure incurred by the government in making of public assets, like road, canals, dams, bridge, school building, hospital building, defense equipments. All these are considered as investment expenditure or the expenditure on the capital goods. When we add the investment made by household plus business plus government, it will be considered as gross domestic fixed capital formation. If we will add change in stock, it means plus closing stock minus opening stock, we will come to know the gross domestic capital formation. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिएगा, अगर हम इन्वेस्टमेंट जोड़ते हैं हाउस होल्ड का, बिजनेस का और गवर्नमेंट का, तो हमें ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स्ड कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन मिलता है। इसके साथ में हम चेंज इन स्टॉक जोड़ते हैं तो ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स्ड हट जाएगा, फिक्स्ड यहाँ से हट जाएगा, ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन रह जाएगा। तो प्लीज कीप इन योर माइंड द टर्मिनोलॉजीज ऑफ दिस नेशनल इनकम एग्रीगेट्स। जो थर्ड कंपोनेंट है एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड का, वो है नेट एक्सपोर्ट। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इकोनॉमी के अंदर केवल दो ही तरह के खर्चे होते हैं, It may be in the form of consumption expenditure or the investment expenditure. और we also know that कि जो खर्चे होते हैं ये सिर्फ हमारी इनकम में से ही होते हैं। तो हमारा एक इनकम का सोर्स यहाँ पर फॉरेन सेक्टर भी है। If we are exporting and importing and we are generating the income, it will be also spent into the economy. तो हमारे टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर को पता लगाने के लिए हमें टोटल इनकम का पता लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर हमने देखा, इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर हमने देखा, लेकिन इफ़ वी आर एक्सपोर्टिंग द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज वी आर जनरेटिंग द इनकम, तो हमारा नेट एक्सपोर्ट कितना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ वी आर एक्सपोर्टिंग 100 रुपीज़, इम्पोर्टिंग 20 रुपीज़, तो 80 रुपीज़ हमारी फॉरेन सेक्टर से इनकम जनरेट हुई है और यही इनकम स्पेंट भी हुई होगी, हमें मानकर चलना है। तो इससे हम टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड से हम नेशनल इनकम कंप्यूट कर सकते हैं। सो इन द लास्ट व्हाट विल बी द GDP at market price according to the expenditure method? Add all consumption expenditure, add all investment expenditure and the net export.